Welcome to the Tally Prime with GST and AI Professional Accounting program from the Baroda Institute of Technology. This 5-phase learning pathway offers an instructor-led, career-ready program, including value-add certification via IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation. BIT is a leading professional training institute with over 23 years of excellence, focusing on job-ready skills through experienced faculty and a practice-first pedagogy. The training ecosystem offers flexible, instructor-led modes and a practical focus with hands-on labs. This program aims to transform you into a professional accounts executive and GST specialist, equipped with cutting-edge AI skills for modern business finance. It is ideal for students, commerce grads, business owners, working professionals, and job seekers. The duration is 3 to 6 months, including an internship, available online, offline, or hybrid. The 5-phase learning pathway is a comprehensive roadmap from foundation to AI professional. Phase 1 covers accounting basics, followed by Tally Core, GST and tax compliance, and advanced MIS and payroll, culminating in AI integration and capstone projects. Successful completion of all 5 phases is required for the professional certification. Phase 1, Accounting Foundation, focuses on manual accounting mastery and concept clarity. Modules cover fundamentals of accounting, including core concepts, golden rules, and error management. Module 2 covers final accounts and financial statements, including expenditure analysis, valuation, and closing process. A key highlight is over 100 journal entry practices. Phase 2, Tally Prime Core Mastery, focuses on software setup and operations. Modules 3 through 6 cover company creation, ledger and voucher management, inventory management, and banking and reconciliation. Practical projects include trading company setup and bank reconciliation. Phase 3 is GST and taxation compliance. Modules cover GST fundamentals, GST in Tally Prime, and the GST return filing process. Module 10 focuses on income tax and TDS. Key skills acquired include e-invoicing, ITC claim, e-way bill, and TDS file. The learning outcome is professional compliance and return filing mastery. Phase 4, Advanced Tally and MIS, focuses on corporate reporting and payroll. Modules 11 through 13 cover cost center and budgeting, advanced reporting, and payroll in Tally. Practical projects include generating budgets and professional payslips. The learning outcome is management-level skills, including generating advanced MIS reports. Phase 5, AI Integration and Accounting, focuses on future-ready finance. Modules 14 and 15 explore the role of AI in modern accounting and AI tools integration for tasks like data extraction and predictive analysis. Module 16 features automation projects, such as an automated GST calculation tool and sales forecasting model implementation. The key tools you'll master include Tally Prime, GST Portal, and Income Tax Portal for full-stack accounting mastery. You will also learn advanced Excel, AI, and automation techniques, and access continuous learning through the BIT LMS portal. Compare our program tracks, Basic Tally, Tally plus GST, and the recommended Tally Prime plus AI Professional program. The professional track is the most comprehensive, including AI integration, an internship, industry projects, and priority placement support, preparing you for high-paying jobs. The program prepares you for in-demand roles like accounts executive, GST practitioner, and AI accounting analyst. Accounting is a recession-proof career with a constant demand for skilled professionals. Professionals with AI skills can earn 30 to 40% more, with salaries exceeding 50,000 rupees in India. Our 6-step placement pathway guides you from enrollment to employment. It includes a skill assessment, professional profile building, mock interviews, a live 1-month internship, portfolio review, and dedicated placement support with salary negotiation guidance. Gain practical experience through real projects, such as retail store accounting and service sector taxation. Hear from learners like Rahul, who used practical GST knowledge to crack his first interview, and Sneha, whose AI skills impressed her employer. Start your professional journey with flexible training modes, online live, classroom at Vadodara, or hybrid options. Program inclusions feature 24/7 LMS access, a 1-month live internship, project work, and 100%